Okay, set up this build 20 billion 1029. So I got the KVM switch, the redemption KVM switch hooked up. Got both the mini PCs hooked up. Let's see if this works. This is AMD one's PC 1. Let's go to PC 2 and see what happens. Hey, there we go. Sweet. But yeah. Sweet swing. But yeah. We actually, I love it when the universe answers your requests. Because I asked the universe to have this show up in Amazon Vine program. And it's a DisplayPort 2 HDMI cable, the 1.4. Because I'm gonna keep trying until this one actually works. And hopefully, see where it goes from there. So, because I don't give up that easily. I may whine, complain, bitch, moan like everybody else, but may have my days. But I'm gonna keep trying this until I find the right DVI to HDMI cables, adapters, whatever that'll work with this. So hopefully, this is a good sign. At least for the HDMI out one. I have the other 1.4 cables there, so we're gonna see how hot it gets in this area and see what happens. Whatever happens. YOLO, just set up 2 billion. Anyways, toodles.